Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the watch and phone together. Plug the Maxima into power and charge until at least 50% so initial updates won't fail. Open the Maxima mobile app and sign in or create an account. This syncs settings and backups. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone so pairing can occur. Tap the app's Add Device and Watch for the watch name, choose it, and accept pairing requests. This first step ensures firmware and profile transfer happens smoothly and avoids later permission errors. After initiating pairing, you'll see a numeric code on both devices. Confirm they match to secure the connection. Next, set the correct language and confirm date and time. This matters for alarms and workout logs. Enter your health profile, height, weight, birthday, so step and calorie calculations become accurate. Make sure to install any firmware updates the app prompts. These often fix bugs. Finally, enable notifications and grant app permissions so calls, messages, and calendar alerts flow to the watch. You'll use touch gestures and the side button to move through menus. Press and hold the main button for shortcuts like Do Not Disturb. Start activities from the workout app and wait for GPS lock if using outdoor modes, then end and sync to the phone to preserve history. For battery care, dim screen and disable always on if you need extra hours. If things go wrong, reboot the watch first, then unpair and repair via the app. And make sure firmware is current. Contact support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.